Hi guys, it's me Emily. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing The Sims 4. So let's get started. It is a 10 baby challenge. So we're gonna do a new game.
It's also a challenge that I'm doing too.
Yes.
Hi guys, I'm Alex.
Alright. Okay, so we're gonna start with her hair. Let's remove her hair. We'll do this hair. And we'll go for that one. No, we need to do her eye makeup. Well, we need to do her makeup in general. We're gonna make her nice and detailed. We're gonna make her eyes a nice brown. Yeah. So we're gonna make them brown. And we need makeup. Don't you? Let's see, lips. Good. Makeup. We want a pretty natural shade. Yeah, that is good. Go into makeup. Where is my makeup? We'll go for a nice little, yes, that is good. And now for her everyday outfit, we'll go for this because that is cute. And then her there. Fat. And then let's get some nice pants. Let's see. We'll go with these jeans. And what the heck? Skin. Why is she wearing those? I don't want her wearing those. No, those jeans are bad. No, what? Where are all the good jeans? Skin tight, no jeans. These jeans. How do you get that off? You know what? I want these jeans. I don't understand. I don't understand why these pants aren't coming off. Whatever. Here, maybe we should do those. Yeah, those are fine. And then we need to find some good shoes for her everyday look. We'll have her wear some flats. No, I'll have her wear some loafers. Those are really cute. And yeah, that's her everyday look. Let's see her formal wear. Should I do that dress? No. Alrighty, so I just need a good formal outfit, just so that it looks good. Alright, now for the bottom, we're gonna do this nice skirt, I think. Yeah. And then for her shoes, I'm gonna have her wear some black heels, and you are not wearing this hat. And then, yeah, that eye makeup is good. And then for athletic, let's see what you wear for athletic. We'll definitely have her wear that. And I think maybe she should wear black and white one with what pants? Let's see these crop pants. No, those do not go. You could wear these ones, but what about, well, you wear those, but these shoes, and then take off this hat, girl. Yeah, and then let's do a sleep look, and then we'll do a nice little hairstyle. Don't want to do sleep. There we go. Now for sleep, we're gonna see these one pieces. We'll have her wear this. And then, oh, white one's good. And then let's change the color of her slippers. I'll have them to white. Yeah. And then we can't have her makeup on because no. And then we just have to take her eyeshadow. Let's take her cheeks, eyeliner, eyes. There we go. Now let's do her party wear. Let's see what she's wearing right now. Can we see what she's wearing? Alright, so for her party wear, I think we're gonna have her wear maybe that dress, because that dress is super cute. I don't want it for party. We're not gonna do a party right now, because we are gonna do jumpsuits now. Short. Ooh, this one is super cute. Okay, I might actually do that for her summer, because that is super cute for her summer. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for her summer. And we'll have her wear this for her party. And then, should we have her wear these boots? No. These ones? No. We're just gonna have her wear these, and they're gonna be white. Yes. And then her makeup, her eyeshadow, I want that to be a little different because this nice pink. Yeah, that's perfect for her swimwear. For her swimwear, she's gonna have her hair up. I think, yeah. She's gonna have her hair up. And then let's find a better swimsuit. Yes. Find a cuter swimsuit. We'll just have her wear that white one. And then for her shoes, no. And then for her hot weather, let's take this ugly baseball hat off. So let's find her, yes, here it is. So, and then we're gonna have her wear this one. And then for her shoes, yeah, I might have her wear those. What's her formal wear? Okay, and then we should probably change that. There we go. And then for her cold weather look, we are going to look for a cute leather outfit that fits. Alrighty. Cold weather. No, that no. Let's see. You are the black one. Let's find some good jeans. Jeans. There. Then her jeans can be white. And then her horrendous shoes we are going to be wearing. Let's see what shoes should she wear. Those ones I got. Alright, and yeah, that is her. Her name, let's see. Jessica Love. And then we're gonna make it be Love. And then we're gonna have her be Lifestyle. Family oriented. And then good. And then we're gonna have her be
How's it going over there?
it's a good. I'm just picking out Jessica Love's traits.
Okay.
Boom. There we go. There we go. Alright, go in